Hey up everyone, it's Gardening with Ben. Well, if you remember the last video that we did, we started tidying up my new area and redesigning it all and getting it all ready. So we're going to be continuing with that today. So let's show you what it looks like and what we're doing today. So as you can see, we've got all the beds built. We've got all the edging down. We've got the frames up for our climbing plants. Got all the paths sorted. Got our new seating area, what's going to go around here, and a burning bin as well. So today's job is we're going to start covering the paths, filling the beds and getting plants in. So yeah, let's see what it looks like once it's all done. So that's all the paths laid with wood chip, looking tons better, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. Fresh wood chip always does smell nice. But yeah, all wood chip, all down. So next up is the burning bin area. Hopefully we've got enough wood chip left to cover that area as well. But we're going to cut a circle out, put the burning bin in, put some bricks around it, and then cover the membrane with wood chip. And there we have it, we've got the burning bin in place. We've put the wood chip down. So yeah, happy with how it all looks at the moment. Obviously we want a bench along this bit here so that we can sit down, but yeah, this will be nice in winter time when we can burn the rubbish and get rid of the waste. But yeah, it's coming on good. So we've got all the chip down, we've got all the paths laid. Next up is to sort these beds out and get these filled up and get them painted. I think we're going to get them painted if we've got a paintbrush down here and make them look smart. So that's the beds built, all in place. So next up we need to give them a nice lick of paint, make them look a bit better. So there we are, we've painted them up. We've not painted the insides of them up because we're going to be filling these with compost. They'll need another couple of coats probably once they've dried. But yeah, let's fill them with compost and then let's get some plants in to make them look a bit better. And there we have it, we've got our beds filled with compost. So yeah, we're getting there. So now we need to plant as climbers and we need to plant some pansies as well for some autumnal colour. Next week I'll fill them middle beds with compost and think about what we're going to plant in there for the time being. But yeah, I'm happy with how it's all coming on. It's starting to look a lot better now. So now we have got 9 climbers to plant on our climbing arches. So let's have a look at what climbers we're going to be planting in this area. I'm not very good at saying names, so I'll not try that one. But yeah, that one looks a nice one with white flowers on it. This one's got purple flowers on it. Glass Nevin. Then we've got a nice red clematis. We've got a pink clematis, another nice coloured one. Then we've got a Polish spirit clematis, nice purpley coloured one. Then we've got a pinky white jasmine, which hopefully will smell nice. We've got a honeysuckle. We've got another of the same jasmine. I do like jasmine, and if it smells nice, it'll be glorious. And then a white clematis, Montana Grand E Flora. And as you can see, they're really healthy, these ones. I bought these from Morrison's. It was 3 for 2, so not a bad price. That's if they take and hopefully grow up the arches. And there we have it. We've got all the planters planted up. We've got all those climbers in. We've labelled them up so that we remember what we've planted in these and what they'll be when they flower, so that we remember them for next year. But yeah, I cannot believe how well this area is coming on. It's looking absolutely amazing. So good, so happy with it all. Like I said, next weekend we're going to be filling them beds with compost and getting some plants in them, and then it'll be the back bit We'll get compost in there, and we're going to have alpines, and we're going to have snowdrops and bluebells in this back bit, as they're better for shaded areas. So hopefully that'll look nice come springtime, and then when the alpines spread, they'll fill all the gaps in and make it look good. So yeah, it's coming on absolutely amazing. We've got his path laid, we've got his burning bin in the area, all coming on absolutely fantastic. And we've even got the blue tits coming for the seed. They absolutely love it here. So many blue tits, absolutely amazing. So tomorrow's job in this area is only going to be a little job tomorrow. We're going to put brickwork down this back bit here for the border. We're going to give these another paint, the borders, and yeah, we'll be on to our allotment tomorrow to get ready for our garlic planting and our onion planting. So thanks for watching today's video, everyone. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos and how well this area is getting on with over the next few weeks down here at the plot as part of our autumn winter jobs, ready for next year and getting it all prepared. So remember everyone, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.